Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Puerto Rican Arroz con Recaito. Now, we just made the Recaito, so that recipe is on our YouTube channel. Please check out that video. And today we're going to make it with some Basmati rice. I personally prefer Basmati rice. Of course, long grain rice is perfectly fine as well if you don't have the Basmati, but we're going to use a little bit of olive oil, some kosher sea salt, and lemon. So we're going to zest the lemon and use the juice as well. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
We're going to let our Basmati rice sit in some water for about 10-15 minutes to wash off that extra starch. So I find it makes life easier if you put the strainer in the bowl, add our 1 cup of Basmati rice, and then cover it amply with cold water, and then just let this sit again 10 to 15 minutes. And you want to sort of wash the starch off of the kernels. Now, having the strainer in there obviously makes it much easier to just remove. So just let this sit, and while it's sitting, we can get together the rest of our ingredients. So this has been soaking for 15 minutes, and now we just want to sort of rinse it off as well under some cold running water and in the strainer. Now I have my pan over medium-high heat, and to that we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So that's a little hot there. And then we're going to add in our soaked rice. And then you want to stir the rice in the oil and heat it up. So I'm going to do that for about 2 minutes. I want all that moisture to evaporate, and we want to sort of toast the rice kernels just a little bit. And to this we're going to add our 1/2 cup of recaito. Get that in there. And again, you want to stir this until most of that moisture has disappeared and evaporated, so that way the flavor is coating all the rice. Once all the recaito has been stirred in, we're now going to add in our 2 cups of water. We want to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes or until all that liquid evaporates. So do make sure you scrape down the sides so you don't have any stray rice on the sides of your pan. Almost forgot, we need a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Don't forget to add that. You can always sprinkle it on later if you did forget, but anyhow, let's get that in there. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. So we want to zest our lemon. I'm going to use the microplane zester, and then we're going to juice it as well. So always hold it away from yourself and zest the entire thing. If there's any green parts on it though, this one's pretty good. It's all yellow. If there's any green, don't zest the green. This has been cooking for 15 minutes. Look how beautiful that is. That looks fantastic. So I'm going to now pour the lemon juice over the rice, and we'll stir that in. And I think I got so much zest off of that, I'm going to sprinkle in about 1/2, and then I'll use the other 1/2 for a garnish. So let's just stir this up. Here's our beautiful arroz con recaito, and I'm going to now sprinkle on our lemon zest. And if you could serve this individually, then you'll have enough for each person's plate, but I have it in this nice bowl here. And oh, this just looks absolutely beautiful. I love the brightness of the yellow zest on top of it. And yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me take a taste. That is so delicious. Oh, I can't wait to eat the rest of it with my dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching our recipe, Puerto Rican Arroz con Recaito. And also please check out the video for how to make the recaito on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.